Bol-anon. She is massaging my aunt. Oh yeah, Nina Girls Mix videos. Wow guys, look how flawless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very painful, guys. Very difficult. Like this time. Guys.
Okay guys, so we are now here in so this is Tintin, and we are now here in sa vlog mo tayo? Tia. Oh, we're gonna make tia because we love tea.
Pwede sa ato ang idea, ha?
Oh, nice ito. Pwede te. Ganahan din ko.
Magama kita tag version. Kung ano, ipadayon ni mo, bitaw.
Oh, nga na ba?
Pero ilang style bitaw nga, maghagong sila niya. Sawon ni mo. No?
Nice, dude.
No, excited ko sa itong vlog.
No, guys, watch out. Watch out. Charata kay. So guys, we're cooking spaghetti sauce by Ate Jovi.
Boy.
Sumana ang sauce, isagol na ang sauce sa spaghetti. Okay guys, ihalo na ang murong buwan.
2 years ago pa ko nakatuto kinagawa ng spaghetti dinikan.
the what do you call this thing?
Hot dog.
Hot dog with marshmallow. It's really red and juicy. Yeah. Made by Ate Nabel, okay?
Panghatag lang nila. Go, get as a taking marshmallow.
We are finally done cooking the spaghetti made by Ate Joby. Okay guys, we are now here.
How can I feel the joy of being with you? How can I chase the pain away for good? Well, this is calling me, all is not true. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You. Feel the joy when Santa Claus has come to town. Santa Claus has come to town. Have you wrote your list to heat up for good? Hurry down the chimney tonight. I wait impatiently for you, my Santa baby. I really do believe in you. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, can you feel the joy when Santa Claus has come to town? Santa Claus has come to town. And I remember the presents and the lights in the trees, the smell of chestnut boiling on the heat. And I remember dreaming, buried in a comfy blanket that I will never forget. When I was waiting for the snow to fall to make a giant snowman, my heart was